Yeah, it's 2014. On an upwards path of awakening, seeing your complete integration into a higher reality of light that is filled with glory, a dawning of awakening, a story that is already written, merely in the process of conscious creations that you see in your own opening into a galactic path here at last, to then transform this planetary system into a new vision of galactic space filled existences. It is all from your inner determination to maintain a stronger focus in the emotions of your inner determination to keep up with the light that you are shining far with your source connection in the fields of pure directions that you are downloading more in your DNA activation. The still process of activating your core vibration into a pure frequency is an endless nature that shines from your conscious awareness in bliss. Nature that shines from your conscious awareness in bliss. Nature that shines from your conscious awareness in bliss. Feeling the inner restoration that is bringing you into our galactic homecomings, where space-filled realities are abundant in a deeper state of transitioning into your inner knowing, intentions that remain golden in nature, a cosmic vibration from our heavenly realms into you. Inside of you is where you thrive on the new earth, a brand new birth process of then climbing more of the ascension ladder, here to continue to transfer higher conscious vibrations in the complete essence of your own strength, a complete merging with this reality of joy. Nature that shines from your conscious awareness in bliss. Nature that shines from your conscious awareness in bliss. Nature that shines from your conscious awareness in bliss. Nature that shines from your conscious awareness in bliss. Nature that shines from your conscious awareness in bliss. In bliss. In bliss. Yeah. Blissful realities is how you are here from our ascended realms. Here as the volunteers, 144,000 light beings to assist humanity. Yeah, forever. Yeah, it's 2014. Yeah.